Now we're going to make something called chicken stew or dimlama, okay? And I'm going to use this 5-quart wok. This is actually one of the gifts that we offer when you give us some referrals, okay? It's a great piece, very useful. You can make anything in here, okay? So today I'm going to use it for the stew, okay? Nothing is in here, no oil, no water, nothing. I'm just, again, throwing in some onions, okay? And some chicken, and then I can turn it on. So I don't even have to warm it up, okay? And we're going to let that simmer in there. Okay, and once it's cooked about 5 minutes, because remember, chicken cooks pretty fast, okay? You don't want to cook it halfway and then put in your vegetables. Let it simmer just a few minutes, give it some juices, and then we can layer all our veggies, cover it up, again, medium click low, and it will be done in no time. Okay, we'll be back. Been a couple of minutes. I added some spices on the top, some chicken spices, a little bit of salt, and some cumin seeds, okay? And now it actually produced some of its own oils from the chicken, okay? And we can layer our vegetables now. What I have here is some bell peppers, okay? I have some carrots. No particular order of putting things, but it's good to layer them. Okay, and then we have some sweet potato, yam. And I have squash. No need to salt anything because it's going to retain a lot of its own flavors. It's going to be great. Okay. And normally we usually wait to put in the cabbage later because you don't want it to get so saggy. Not on SaladMaster. You can place everything at the same time. And you see, This is a 5-quart wok and how much I was able to fit into it. It's a great piece. And you can get it for free. Just recommend some people. Again, I'm gonna put some cumin seeds on the top. And you can put garlic if you'd like. And some other vegetables. Some people like to put zucchini, whatever it is, it's up to you. And again, cover it up. No water, no oil. Okay, I'm gonna keep it at medium. It's gonna click, I'm gonna make it low. So our chicken stew is clicking now, okay, and we're still at medium, so we're gonna turn it down to low. Okay, and there, it stopped clicking. Just in case if you continue cooking on low and it clicks again, make it lower again. Okay, that preserves your nutrients. Remember, the vapor valve is to alert the user that the heat is too high, okay, and when the heat is too high, the nutrients die, okay? So basically when you hear the click, make it lower, it brings down the heat to a point where it will save 93% of your nutrients, okay? And that will do a lot of great things for your body. I wanted to demonstrate something for you. The stew is ready, okay? But you know, when you notice when you're cooking, every time you open it and cover it up, even though it's on low heat, the vapor valve starts clicking, okay? Now the vapor valve clicks because you put in the air in, okay? And it needs to let the air out, so it's gonna start clicking sometimes to get all the air out, and then it's gonna stop. It doesn't mean you have to play with the fire again. So look at the color of all these vegetables that are in here. Sweet potato. Everything retained its beautiful natural colors. It doesn't even look like it was cooked. I want you to even look at the peppers. Look at the color of these peppers. They look like they're raw, okay? And everything is cooked.